I want to go over keyword match types and keyword targeting in Google Ads really quickly. So there's 3 different keyword match types that you can use. So if you're targeting a keyword like furniture store, then some of the different search terms that it may match depending on if you're targeting furniture store as a broad match keyword, phrase match keyword, and exact match keyword. So you'll see some of the different search terms that it will match. So for broad, home decor and cream colored leather sectional. For phrase match, cheap furniture stores, living room furniture deals, and what store is the best place to find a bedroom dresser. And exact match, furniture store, home furnishing shop. So you'll see exact match generally gives you the least amount of volume and the most relevance. Broad match will give you the most volume and the least relevant. So I want to quickly go through keyword match types, just show you how they work. Generally, if you're targeting a keyword like furniture store, personally, I like using phrase match because they give me a little bit more control as an advertiser to send people to the correct landing pages, to serve people the most relevant ads. So when you're using keyword match types, these are the 3 different options you have. There are reasons for using all 3 of them depending on what type of account that you're running, what type of goals that you have, and who your target customer is. So broad match, phrase match, and exact match, I'm going to go through each of the 3 in more detail. In this video, I'm going to be giving an overview of phrase match keywords and how I think about phrase match keywords, how often I use them, and the reasons why you should use phrase match keywords. So in the previous video, I went over broad match keywords, and what we looked at was the search terms for broad match keywords are always going to match a lot more than what a phrase match or an exact match keyword will actually match with. So if we come over here to our search terms and we look at search terms for the keyword pool repair near me, you're going to see some relevant search terms in here, but also things that are just a little bit too broad. You get some things that end up being people looking for DIY help or supplies, or it could potentially even be somebody looking for a completely different brand than yours. So a lot of times broad match keywords will deliver conversions, but there are times they deliver irrelevant conversions and it ends up throwing off your data slightly because ultimately what we're looking for in Google Ads are high quality conversions. So if you look here and you see the match type, broad match, exact match, and phrase match, you're generally going to find worse search terms for broad match in here than you would for exact and phrase match. So even phrase match right here, pool repair near me within 20 miles, perfect. Above ground pool repair near me, perfect. Exact match, these are 2 really good keywords that we would want to target. So the main thing is just making sure that I have really good ad groups and landing pages for all of these different search terms because these are what people are typing in who actually need pool services. Now, this is a campaign that is fully focused on pool repair, pool cleaning, pool maintenance. So trying to get residential and commercial customers that want to reach out to me, this is a fake campaign, not a real campaign, but that want to reach out to me to basically inquire about my pool services. So if we come over here and we come back to our keywords, a quick 30-second promotion. If you like my content, I have a Google Ads course available, 21 lessons over 10 hours for $34.99. You can access it by going to surfsideppc.com/course. That will give you all the information you need to run successful Google Ads campaigns. If you're interested in learning how to drive more leads for your business, join Surfside Inbound. It's $4.99 a month. It's available on Patreon. It's available through my YouTube membership, and you'll get access to all of my premium content, including a 5.5-hour inbound marketing course. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. And we look at our phrase match keyword for pool liners near me. Now, this isn't the greatest keyword, and we are seeing a decent amount of impressions. So generally, I would try to target a phrase match keyword like pool liner repair near me, pool liner replacement near me. So what you can do is, if you're not positive if this is a good keyword to target, is go into the search terms and look at the search intent. So perfect, pool liner replacement, Columbia SC. A lot of these other ones, not the greatest, some of them that we would want to target, and you can see I started excluding some. I will be going through negative keywords as well, but ultimately not the greatest keyword based on the search terms that we're looking at. So a lot of times if I see something like that, I will pause this altogether and just focus on the keywords like pool liner repair near me. If we look here, so pool repair near me, we click on this and we look at the search terms. We should have some pretty relevant search terms here. So pool repair near me, perfect. Pool cleaner repair, pool pumps repair, pool leak detection, and pool repair Spartanburg, South Carolina, which is one of my target markets. So only giving us 6 total search terms, but all of these look very good. And if we come back over here and we look at the broad match keywords, the broad match, and we look at those search terms, you're going to see there's just a lot more that comes in there. And the hard part with targeting broad match keywords consistently is that you're going to get a lot of things that you need to exclude within your search terms report. So as you come into your search terms here, you're going to find all sorts of different search terms that are going to be completely irrelevant. With phrase match keywords, I find that it gives you the best balance of relevancy. And if I'm trying to drive traffic to a specific landing page, so as I built out this campaign and we have different ad groups here, so pool repair, I want those people to see an advertisement for pool repair. I want them to go to a pool repair landing page. Now, as people search for things like pool pump repair, pool leak repair, different things like that, I do have leak detection down here. But as people search for different types of things to repair, that gives me some insights into the landing pages I should be building. And then when I build those landing pages, I can create a new ad group and we can still have a broad pool repair near me type of ad group where we're targeting that phrase match keyword in there. Pool repair near me. This is targeting South Carolina. So I could say pool repair South Carolina, Spartanburg, Myrtle Beach, Charleston, whatever cities that I'm targeting. And then from there, I could have additional ad groups for pool pump repair or whatever type of thing that we happen to be repairing that people are searching for. Pool cleaning, I can make sure that if somebody's typing in pool cleaning services near me, that I am targeting them with my advertisements and they're going to see my pool cleaning packages so they can easily contact me and get exactly what they need. So as we look at different keyword match types, broad match is definitely going to lead to the most search terms. So if you have a larger budget, if you don't mind spending additional budget on some search terms that may not necessarily convert or be overly relevant, as you start to optimize your campaign, your broad match keywords can still perform really well. When I launch a campaign, my main goal is to get things as organized as possible, trying to target the best possible keywords that I can, really high search intent keywords, and I generally am using phrase match keywords, especially for something like this. So if somebody's typing in pool cleaning services in Myrtle Beach, pool cleaning services in Charleston, I can do this with a phrase match keyword and make sure that as people type in and search those things, I'm actually targeting them directly, serving them a relevant ad, and sending them to the best possible landing page. So phrase match keywords to me is like my number one keyword match type that I use. I do use exact and I do use broad in other cases, but most of the time I am targeting phrase match keywords. So create organized ad groups, use phrase match keywords, and then within each ad group, make sure that your ads and that your landing pages are as relevant as possible to the keywords that you're targeting, and you should find the best success as long as you are also bringing in really good conversion data as well. So do all of those things and you should be able to find a lot of success with phrase match keywords. Thank you for watching. If you want access to all of my long form tutorials and some of my courses that I've created that I'm only putting out on Surfside Inbound, you can join my Patreon, patreon.com/Surfside Inbound. It is only $4.99 per month. You can also join through my YouTube channel. So through the Surfside PPC YouTube channel, from any of my videos, if you click on join, you will get instant access to all of my premium content, including my inbound marketing course, which is 5.5 hours long. I just published it to Patreon and YouTube. So join today if you're interested in more of my content at patreon.com/Surfside Inbound or by clicking the join button on any of my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe.